All right, guys, if you are heading down to Training Division this year for one of the pre-season FireFit camps, this video is going to walk you through what to expect while you're down there. For those that don't know me, my name is Brad Dix. I'm a firefighter paramedic in Canada, and I've been doing FireFit for approximately 10 years now. I spend a lot of time training and competing at the highest level, and I'm very excited to share this opportunity with you guys to better your times and hopefully set some personal bests this season. Training Division has built a reputation of being one of the top firefighting training academies in North America. It was founded in 2004 and has had almost 10,000 firefighters come through it. Training Division not only does boot camps that award FSAC SEALs for level 1 and 2 of Firefighting 1001, as well as hazmat awareness and operations. They also offer medical training such as EMT, AFA, and other medical certifications. The way Training Division operates is that the students will do all the didactic online. Once they complete that, they come down to Texas for 2 weeks to do all the practical portion. Where they go down to Texas is the Training Division facility, and that's where you'll be staying during the training camp here. So the facility is set up like an actual fire station. So when recruits come in, they are treated to the authentic experience of being a firefighter. There's the apparatus bays where all the gear is located. There's a full kitchen, a couple classrooms, dining area with TV, lounge setup and everything like that. They have their own laundry, bathroom, showers, the whole 9 yards. When the students come down, they're down for a full 2 weeks, so they have all the amenities needed for that. While you're down for your training camp, there will be no boot camps going on. So you'll have full reign of the facility with full access to the kitchen, dorms, and any other the amenities they might have there. Crowley is located 45 minutes south of the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport, and it's just outside of Fort Worth itself. It's recommended that you rent a car when you come down. It's kind of a massive city, Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area, so the easiest way to get around is by having your own vehicle. Last time I was there, I took an Uber from the airport to the training facility, and it was about $85. So it's probably cheaper to rent the car and have that the entire time rather than taking Ubers in. While you're down in Crowley, there's tons of things to do. You're right near Dallas-Fort Worth, which has multiple professional sports teams, as well as amazing amenities for nightlife, restaurants, shopping, anything you can imagine is there. They even have a Six Flags amusement park. So I'll let Katie show you around the facility and kind of give you an idea of what to expect when you get down there.
I'm Katie from Brampton Fire, and I'm at Training Division, located in Crowley, Texas. And we have some big exciting news. We have the FireFit Championship Tower all set up here, and it is a place for all of you to come down and train for free. They actually have a bunkhouse for us and a kitchen. So we're just going to take you on a little tour, show you what Training Division has to offer, all of us athletes from all over. So right now we're just walking through the corridor. You're going to see a kitchen. This is access for us to make meals, grab some groceries, and still have our nutrition plans on the go. So this is the great kitchen. There's coffee, water, Gatorade, cereal. And then this is just the common area where we can come hang out, have some food, talk strategies, talk splits, go over the course, any technique tips, review videos. This is really a really cool opportunity for us. So as we make our way up the stairs, we're gonna head to this amazing bunk room. I believe it fits 30 athletes, where we can come and not worry about grabbing an Airbnb unless you prefer. That's totally an option. So let me just show you around here. So as we walk in, they have a ladies and a men's bathroom. They also have laundry facilities. And this is where we would sleep. So this is where the Training Division recruits stay. They each get their own bunk. So Training Division is offering us this space, which I think is really cool. And it really, really does make it easier to come here and train and get practice on the course. So I hope that we see you here, and then we'll show you the course.
Wow, Katie, that was great. Thank you. Okay, so now we'll hit our FAQ section. So as information about this course has been going out, we've been receiving a lot of questions, and these are kind of the common ones. So what should you bring? Bring anything that you would need for a normal training day. They do have gear on site, but it is for the students primarily. So it's not race gear. It's not stripped down. It doesn't have any kind of like the fancy stitching or the relaxed fit kind of things that people like to race in. If you want to be training at a high level of FireFit, you should be practice like you play and bring your competition race gear down with you. Also bring toiletries, towel, and anything needed day to day. Bedding is provided there. However, if you want to, you can bring your own as well. Where is it located? The school itself is located in Crowley, Texas, just outside of Fort Worth. The easiest airport to fly to is Dallas-Fort Worth, and it's about a 45-minute drive away. Food and living. You've got a full kitchen, so you can cook your own meals, store food, and keep things dialed to your performance. Some people feel like they get a lot more value out of running a full FireFit course, and I recommend to do at least one full while you're down there. Take advantage of it. Prep for it as if you were actually running on race day. So if you're a faster male, let's say, we know that you typically would run later in the afternoon. So save your full for later in the afternoon and prep your meals, prep your snacks, get mentally in the headspace that you'll be racing later in the day, and just do it like a real race day. So go through the steps that you normally go through, eat a big breakfast, and get your nutrition down for the day of something that would be similar to what you would actually do in race day. This is the good opportunity for you to really be focusing on the technique and getting time on task and going through all the steps that you might not have opportunity at your home facility or your home department. So I would spend a ton of time doing techniques, lots and lots of reps, whether that's in gear or just going through the motions in shorts and t-shirt. It's entirely up to you, but take advantage of your time while you're down there and try to optimize it. I wouldn't recommend going for like big long runs or doing any like going to a gym and doing powerlifting while you're down there, because in my mind, if you're going down to this unique opportunity, it would just be take as much advantage of the facility that you possibly can. So I'd be hitting it probably twice a day with at least one full in my entire time of being down there. Since this is the first time that Training Division is hosting the FireFit Tower and having these pre-season camps, it would be greatly appreciated if you can take lots of videos, pictures, share your experience to help promote this for coming years. The plan is to have a FireFit Tower replica set up down there 365 days of the year so that FireFit athletes can go down and train regardless of the time of year. The best way for us to promote this is by your experience. So please like, share, and just take lots of videos and pictures of your time down there, and give us lots of feedbacks, whether that's myself, Katie, or Brad with Training Division. We really appreciate all the feedback of how we can make these camps better for you for the next time you come down, or other FireFit athletes. This opportunity is one of the best ways for you to get better at FireFit or whatever fire sport you're training for. It's a great opportunity, so please be respectful of this facility. And if you do have any comments, complaints, or any issues that come up during your time there, bring them up to us right away and we'd be happy to address them for you. If you have any questions or need suggestions for how to structure your training, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'm always available for that. And yeah, hope to see you down there. Hope you have fun, and hopefully it's everything you want it to be, and hopefully we can set some new PBs this year.